How to fix Facebook 6-digit code not working. If the 6-digit verification code on your Facebook is not working, maybe when you're trying to change a password or when you're trying to log in whatever else, first of all, if it's not working, do not try from the same tab over and over. Close the Facebook app completely. Now if you're using Facebook on Android, long press the Facebook app on Android, then tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page. From here, just go to storage usage and clear the cache files and also clear the data, which will reset the app. Check if the Facebook app has an update by going to your Play Store or App Store and update it to the latest version. You also want to check that the email or phone number where it is sending the code is correct. So sometimes it could be that the credentials are incorrect, that's why it is sending the code to the wrong credentials, like wrong email or wrong phone number. In that case, you want to make sure that they're correct, and hopefully one of these videos may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.